Hello kids, how are you today? I hope you are having an excellent Tuesday. So let's start with today's video. As every day, don't forget your material. Remember it is your classwork notebook, homework notebook, the maze book, your Superminds books, and very important, your pencil case. Remember this material is in case you need to use it during the video or the online classes, okay? So now that you are ready, let's start. Today we are going to check grammar and the topic is countable and uncountable nouns. Let's see. The countable nouns characteristics are: first one, they have a singular and a plural form. For example, tree is singular, only one, or trees is plural. Okay. Next characteristic, they can be counted. So this means that you can use numbers with them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Next characteristic, can use singular or plural verb form. So it's possible to say there is a monster or there are monsters. So remember, as we can use it in singular and plural form, the verb can be used also in singular or plural form. These ones are a little bit easy to identify. Now let's go with the uncountable nouns and their characteristics. One characteristic is uncountable nouns have only one form, and this is not plural. Example, it's correct to say popcorn, but it's not correct to say popcorns. Another characteristic, always use a singular verb. For example, it's possible to say there is salt, but it's not possible to say there are salt. That's incorrect, okay? And the other characteristic, can't use a, an, or a number before them. So we can't count these ones. For example, it's correct to say water, but it's not correct to say a water or to water. That's incorrect, okay? Now, let's check a little bit more about uncountable nouns because we have different categories, so you can use them to identify. First, we have abstract ideas. What is something abstract? Something abstract is something that you can't touch. It exists, but you can't touch it. For example, love, luck, and music. These three concepts exist, but you can touch music or love or luck. Okay? Let's see. Another category we have something that is made of smaller parts, like salt. This is also uncountable. Traffic. Okay, probably there is a lot of traffic and it's made of a lot of cars. Rice. same. Spaghetti. When you go to the beach, the sand and the grass. Okay, so once again, all of them are uncountable. Next category, liquid and gases. Examples, tea, wine, rain, smoke, and milk. So tea, wine, rain, and milk are liquids, and the smoke is a kind of gas. Okay. Another category, materials like paper, gold, ice, glass, and wood. Once again, these are uncountable, and these are only some examples. We have more. And the last category, some food like bread. Now, in this case, in case of bread, if you have a complete piece, like this one, is uncountable. Now, if you have something like this, like the bimbo bread, in this case, you can count them, but you have to say slice, okay? Because they are slices, like pieces. 1, 2, 3 slices of bread, pieces of bread, okay? Something like that. But if you have only one, like this one, is bread and is uncountable. Another, bacon, cheese, chocolate, and popcorn. Once again, all of this food is uncountable. Very good. So let's continue with this activity. It says, sort the words in the correct category. So we have these words. I want you please to repeat after me. Milk, onions, water, banana, cheese, biscuits, carrots, cereal, cherries, chicken, tomato, eggs, fish, juice, rice, apple, lemons, salad, chips, strawberries, soup, potato, meat, toast, crisps, peaches, sandwich, apples, money, people, butter, chocolate, chip, cake, vegetable, mice, ice cream, music, children, flower, information, food, cup, shirt, bus, snow, child, legs, pear, bread, vegetables, fruit, homework. Okay, very good. We have three categories: countable singular, countable plural, and uncountable. So I want you please to copy these categories in your classwork and write the words under the correct category. Okay, we have an example: Countable singular, apple. Countable plural, apples. Uncountable, tea. Okay? So in this moment, pause the video, do the activity in your classwork, and when you finish, come back here and we will check together the answers, okay? Okay, very good, children. So if you are here, it's because you finished doing the activity in your classwork, and now we are going to check together the answers, okay? So let's start with countable singular. So over here we have banana. Remember, if you have it in singular, it is possible in plural because it's countable. So let's check the two options. So banana, bananas, chicken, chickens, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, sandwich, sandwiches, chip, chips, cake, cakes, vegetable, vegetables, flower, flowers, cup, cups, shirt, shirts, bus, buses, child, children. This one has an irregular plural, but we have plural form. Pear, pears, fruit, fruits. Very good. Now, let's go with the countable plurals. And in this case is the other way around. We have it in plural, so it must be possible to mention the same word in singular, okay? So let's check. Onions, onion. Biscuits, biscuit. Carrots, carrot. Cherry, cherries, cherry. Eggs, egg. Lemons, lemon. Chips, chip. Strawberries, strawberry. Peaches, peach. People, person. This is another irregular plural. In plural is people, in singular is person. Mice, mouse, another irregular plural. Children, child, another irregular plural. Legs, and vegetables. Okay, very good. And let's go with the uncountables. We have milk. Remember, in this case, the plural form doesn't exist. It's not possible, okay? So probably the name is like that, but if it's in plural, it's not possible in singular, the other way. Milk, water, cheese, cereal, fish, juice, rice, salad, soup, meat, toast, crisps, money, butter, chocolate, ice cream, music, information, food, snow, bread, and homework. Okay? So over here we have our three categories. Very good, children. So this is all for today. I hope that you had an excellent class. I'm very proud of you, of your effort in all these days and weeks. So if you have any questions, please write your question down in your classwork, and later in our Zoom class, I can help you out with this. Okay? Very good. I hope you have an excellent Tuesday, and I'll see you later in our class. Bye bye. Excellent day.